Hello everyone, in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add songs to your Instagram story. It's a very easy tutorial, just stay till the end of the video. Before we start, leave a like and subscribe for more tutorial. The first step is to check is your Instagram app updated. If it's not, go to Play Store or App Store and simple update app, and then go to Instagram. So when you open it, you need to create a story. So swipe to right to go on Instagram camera. Now you can take a photo or recording a video, or upload from your gallery. Next we will add a song on story. So tap on this little icon on top of the screen, this will open a menu with a lot of stickers and tools. Now you need to tap on music button. Then you will go on menu with a lot of songs you can add on Instagram. Also you can search for song you won't. If that song you search doesn't have, that means that song doesn't available in your region. So when you find your song, just tap on that and you will add that song. Also you can change a part of song, just swipe on this. And you can change the style of icon of song, just select one of these three options, and when you finish go on done. So thanks for watching, and if you have any questions or comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this.